Guys, Matty here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're out here replacing garden taps on a property for a customer. We've gone ahead and put this tap on already. Just wanted to make a video and show you the products that we use so you know what's available on the market. So you might have one of these old T-piece handles with the backflow prevention fitting on, but it's 2023. Things are made a lot simpler these days. So you got your quarter turn garden tap. Now these don't need to be serviced. There's no washers in them. You don't have to fit a backflow prevention as there's a non-return in it. So very simple to install, great product. At Gold Coast Plumbing Experts, we make sure we're up to date with all the latest equipment and materials and products on the market. So give the experts a call. We'd love to help.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.